Okay, what's up, guys? And I need to fulfill my promise, and that was to blow up the RPG ammo by Friday, but I forgot to do it. So I'm just doing it now, and I have 369 RPG ammo to explode. So this guy's gonna help me buy it, and let's go.
Let's
Time lapse time.
is yours.
Yeah. Okay, guys. 369 RPG ammo later. This is it, bro. I am so sorry my game crashed, guys. I kind of thought it would, but I also kind of didn't think it would, but otherwise, I'm still sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed.